Agentic AI's potential to enhance workplace efficiency is only the beginning. It's the collaborative spirit fostered by this technology that truly reshapes our professional landscape. Visualize teams coming together, empowered by AI-driven insights that offer them the tools to strategize and innovate like never before. In this new era, creativity is no longer a solitary endeavor, as individuals unite their unique perspectives with AI's analytical prowess, forging solutions that transcend traditional boundaries. As companies adopt this dual approach, the workplace evolves into a hub of collaboration where each member, both human and AI, plays a pivotal role in the journey toward achieving excellence. It's an exciting time to be part of a workforce that values synergy, adaptability, and responsible growth. To exemplify this transformation, imagine a marketing team brainstorming ideas for a new campaign. As they share their thoughts, an AI agent analyzes market trends in real time, providing data on customer preferences and potential outcomes based on previous campaigns. This seamless integration not only streamlines the creative process, but also ensures that all ideas are supported by actionable insights, enabling the team to refine their strategies methodically. Each session becomes a dynamic exchange where creativity flourishes, underpinned by the AI's ability to present relevant data at the right moment. The synergy between human imagination and AI analytics generates campaigns that are not just innovative, but effectively aligned with market demands. With each successful project, the collaboration builds trust among team members, fostering a culture where asking questions and sharing ideas become the norm. This collaborative spirit extends beyond brainstorming sessions. As projects progress, AI continues to facilitate communication among team members, monitoring workload and deadlines. Picture a project manager receiving alerts from their AI assistant when tasks are falling behind schedule or require additional resources, allowing for timely interventions and prevention of bottlenecks. This proactive support streamlines workflows and reduces stress as team members feel assured their contributions are valued and recognized. Moreover, in performance evaluations, AI can provide comprehensive insights into each member's contributions, offering feedback that is constructive and data-driven. Such transparency enhances accountability and motivates individuals to excel in their roles, knowing their efforts directly influence the team's success. As we adapt to this evolving landscape, the discourse surrounding personal development becomes richer, rooted in data that reflects true performance rather than subjective opinions. The ripple effect of integrating agentic AI thus creates not just an agile work environment, but also fosters professional growth and satisfaction across teams. Imagine an employee, Sarah, who is preparing for a crucial presentation. As she organizes her slides, her AI assistant analyzes audience engagement from previous sessions, suggesting content tweaks and visuals that resonate well with similar demographics. This collaboration enriches her presentation, allowing her to focus on storytelling, while the AI ensures her data is compelling and current. With every enhancement, Sarah feels more empowered, mastering her delivery and connecting with her audience authentically, showcasing the true potential of human-AI collaboration. She steps onto the stage. The room is filled with anticipation, highlighting how this partnership transforms ordinary tasks into extraordinary experiences. As Sarah wraps up her presentation to thunderous applause, she realizes how much of her success stems from her AI assistant's thoughtful recommendations. Each suggestion had not only refined her content, but had also nurtured her confidence, showcasing her ability to leverage technology in an authentic way. This moment illustrates a broader trend in workplaces where individuals harness AI to amplify their strengths, leading to not just skill enhancement, but also a reinvigoration of passion for their work. In this transformed environment, employees are encouraged to take risks and explore new avenues, knowing that AI will support them in navigating uncharted territories. Throughout this transformative landscape, the educational component cannot be overlooked. Companies must take proactive steps to integrate AI literacy into their training programs, ensuring that every team member is well equipped to collaborate effectively with these emerging technologies. By hosting regular workshops and offering accessible resources, organizations can demystify AI, replacing apprehension with enthusiasm. As employees develop a deeper understanding of AI functionalities, they will gain confidence in utilizing these tools, resulting in enhanced creativity and innovation across projects. This commitment to continuous learning fosters a culture where curiosity thrives, empowering the workforce to not only adapt to change, but drive it forward. As the synergy of human and AI collaboration unfolds, the professional environment transforms into a space rich with diverse ideas and perspectives, setting the stage for unprecedented growth and success. In this evolving narrative, the role of leadership becomes paramount as organizations navigate the integration of agentic AI. Leaders are tasked with creating an inclusive culture that embraces both human insights and AI capabilities, facilitating open discussions around potential change. By prioritizing transparency and ethics, leaders can ensure that every team member feels valued and empowered to voice their opinions during the transition. This authentic leadership approach not only mitigates apprehensions, but also fosters a sense of shared responsibility, encouraging all employees to actively partake in shaping their future workplace. As this collaborative culture flourishes, inventive solutions will emerge, enhancing the overall success of the organization and its members. As the workforce embraces this paradigm shift, it is paramount that ethical considerations remain central in discussions around AI deployment. Leaders must cultivate diverse teams as a variety of perspectives not only enriches problem solving, but also helps address potential biases in AI systems. By assembling a governance board that reflects different backgrounds and experiences, organizations can ensure that their AI technologies align closely with societal values and ethical standards. This commitment to diversity fosters responsible innovation and boosts trust among stakeholders, paving the way for an AI-enhanced future that serves the interests of all. Amid these advancements, companies must remain vigilant about potential challenges that arise from AI integration. As teams leverage AI for enhanced productivity, ensuring a balanced approach to technology use becomes crucial. For instance, continuous feedback loops should be established, allowing employees to express their experiences and concerns regarding AI tools. This open line of communication can help organizations identify pain points and adjust strategies accordingly, maintaining a focus on both human well-being and operational efficiency. By actively seeking input from team members and engaging in reflective practices, businesses can cultivate a workplace culture where technology enriches the human experience, leading to more sustainable and effective collaboration. Ultimately, this holistic perspective ensures a brighter future where AI serves as an enabler of innovation, not a replacement for human ingenuity. As these transformations unfold, a new kind of dialogue emerges within organizations, focusing on the relationships between humans and AI rather than viewing technology as a mere tool. This shared journey towards innovative collaboration not only reshapes operational dynamics, but also elevates the human experience in the workplace. Through continuous adaptation and ethical considerations, we can harness the power of agentic AI, transforming challenges into opportunities and fostering an environment where creativity and technology join forces for a brighter future. Agentic AI enhances workplace efficiency and promotes collaboration by integrating AI-driven insights into team dynamics. For example, while a marketing team brainstorms, an AI agent provides real-time analysis of market trends, improving decision-making and creativity. This synergy allows teams to develop more effective campaigns as AI supports the alignment of ideas with actionable data. A case study to illustrate building an AI agent involves a project manager integrating an AI assistant to monitor project timelines. The AI sends alerts about potential delays and helps allocate resources. As a result, workflows become more streamlined, reducing stress and allowing team members to feel their contributions are recognized. One employee, Sarah, uses an AI assistant to refine her presentation based on audience engagement data, enhancing her confidence and delivery. This showcases how AI can amplify individual strengths and foster a culture of shared growth. Furthermore, cultivating AI literacy within training programs empowers employees to utilize AI tools effectively, promoting innovation and curiosity in the workplace. Leaders play a crucial role by fostering an inclusive culture that values both human input and AI capabilities, ensuring ethical AI use and diverse perspectives to create responsible, effective solutions. By addressing potential challenges through feedback, organizations can enhance collaboration between humans and AI, transforming work environments into hubs of creativity and development. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, give a thumbs up, and hit that notification button to stay in the loop for future videos on AI developments.